Bye, Tom. Bye. No, ko mums teikt. Oh my God. You go to New Orleans?
I'm just gonna leave my car there and go with you guys.
Thank you, Tom. Nu, labi, bļaļ.
Labi, nē, tad nav tik slikti.
Bet viņš iedomā, liekas, diezgan, ne?
Go to New Orleans. Go down to the French Quarter. There's a lot to see and do down there. Watch your back. It's dangerous after dark.
Yeah.
Shooting, stabbings, that sort of stuff. But you'll have a good time.
But it is pretty sketchy in New Orleans, because my friends wrote me, like, you have to be careful out there.
Be very careful down there.
They were talking about, like, in the clubs, they're trying to, like, put some powder in a drink.
We call it roofing. Drop something in your drink, knock you out. And you don't know where you wake up at.
That's not good.
That's not
No, it's not good.
So I picked up 3 random Latvians and they're couch surfing, but there's no one to couch surf. Would you mind if 3 Latvians slept on your couch tonight?
I mean, I do have... No, I don't. No.
Wait, no they can't, or no you don't care?
No, I don't have room.
Alright.
So, bļaļ, mēs esam atkal bez mājām. Amerikā. Kopā ar Richardu, bļaļ. Richards ir nice džeks. Un, bļaļ, mēs esam, bļaļ, pie Hustlers Club.
Y'all going in?
Yeah.
Make sure you have zippers on your pants or they will not let you in.
They didn't let you
They
in?
would not let me in because I don't have a zipper on my pants. He said it's a policy. They said they get drunk people pissing all over the place, so you have to have a zipper. I don't know what a zipper has anything to do with it.
Thank you.
Piss yourself.
So, mazliet kontekstam. Mēs tikko pamodāmies. Mūsu istabiņā ienāca svešinieks. Mēs nezinājām, kas tas bija. Viņš aizgāja projām. Mēs pagulējām vēl kādu pusstundu un izrādās, tas svešinieks bija Ričards. Viņš atbrauc atpakaļ un viņš tāds saka, hei! Pirmām kārtām es nezinu, kādēļ viņam bija mūsu atslēga. Bet otrā lieta tā, ka viņš mūs vedīs uz Meksiku. So, yeah, let's get this going.
So I found these random Latvians, picked them up, I gave them good Louisiana food, drove them all the way to Shreveport, brought them to the Titty Club, and I got them a hotel, and then I brought them into Texas. Bye, Rich.
So šis džeks, kas mūs tādu paņēma, viņš mūs veda 6 stundas uz Meksiku. Pasties, kas te ir. Tipa vārna, ne vārna. Okay, so tas ir Dakota. Dakota, say hi. Viņš mūs atveda uz lokālo Teksasas ūdensvietu, kur mēs tolīt iesim peldēt. Mēs atradām tikko pirmo fosīliju.
Šķiet, būs izstāst pēc 8. martas. Kas tā Marta?
Visi nekāds insecurities. Resnā Marta. Kāpēc Marta ir resnā? Un kāpēc Dakota meklē tur kaut kādu fosīlīt fonā?
Kaut kas te nav.
Kam pie Maikla. Mēs paliekam pie Maikla.
Fotografēt.
Bet ko es te darīju, ka tev dubultzots? So, mums bija 2 iespējas, kur palikt. Oh, sheesh!
Every time it changes?
Yeah. PS5, most important thing.
LVBet ātro izmaksu kazino.
So, mēs šobrīd paliekam. Šī ir vieta, kur mēs actually gulēsim. Mums uztaisīja sandvičus, visur ir. Bet ļoti foršs cilvēks. Teicu, ka viņam mājā nekā nav. Ja tas nozīmē, ka mājā nekā nav. Kā ir mājā, ka kaut kas ir? Mēs gulējām šeit mīrvīši labāk nekā pie Dakotas. Dievs bija ar mums.
Stabili. Davai, Ričārd, celies, nu.
Kur ir Jēzus? Mēs šodien dodamies no Meksiku.
Autobus? Oh, fuck, skolas autobus. No. Nē, viņš piestāja! Nu, bļaļ, skolas autobus! Jebaš! Hi, sir. Mucho gracias.
Mēs šobrīd esam skolas autobusā. Paņēri līdz nākošajai pilsētai skolas autobus. Citos kā skolā. First day in school.
Let me hold the shotgun and drugs.
Yeah, we are in Victor's room right now.
Victor, tell about something.
That's Bruce Lee.
That's a concert I went to. Cactus with mescaline in it.
What's mescaline?
Peyote.
Oh, that's the drug thing?
Yeah, the drug, yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, we don't have to.
Damn, scrub daddy.
Mēs esam atraduši naktsmājas ar mūsu veciem jauniešiem.
Everybody say hi to the camera.
We got high as fuck in the morning. Now we okay and we're thinking about going getting the guns down, you know what I mean? Pop some shit.
But I couldn't tell. Yeah. Vámonos, as we say.
Vámonos? What is vámonos?
It means, let's go.
You look insane. Don't bring hi to the boys, that's what you look.
Oh my god, that's my show. Totally.
This is the way you should start a song. Oh my god, that's my show. And then I started with the rap shit.
Alright, so I hit up my brother in Albuquerque, so he spread the word, so they're gonna find somewhere to put y'all up and work me up.
Yeah, thank you so much, man.
Miracles happen.
In the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Paying feed them, that shit ain't gonna ruin me.
Damn.
We arrived.
How many guns do we got?
We got... You got the safety glasses, right?
4 guns.
It's mine. It's not Tristan's big one. Bring it down.
Bang, bang. Cooley Christian, shout out to Glock.
Yeah, all of my hoes get facial, making my bitch too much, she lazy.
Hold your face against it.
See how there's no red? Now it's good to go. Just remember to shoulder it properly. Yo, chuck it up. Oh, he got it.
Mēs paļabām esam pirmie latvieši šajā vietā. Es iedevu mazliet tā maģiskās sēnes. Un teicu, ka atradīs parādīt, kas noteikti. Nu, bļāj. Nu, mēs vēl projām bišķi tripoju.
We didn't go to Frontier. We didn't go to Frontier tonight.
Frontier?
It's one of the most...
Show us.
Es nahuj nesaprotu, kas notiek šobrīd.
I
Šobrīd es mazliet apšakāts no realitātes. What the hell you doing, man? In New Mexico, I feel really with myself here. This is a good place.
Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head.
That's what's going on here now in New Mexico.
Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, stole a plane on it.
Re, kur Uģis guļamistab. Tieši manā izmērā. Tieši, kad te Ņujorkā noteikti dzīvo 2000 mēnesī. Šis ir tas, ko dabū.
1 square feet.